Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the door reachable and safe. First, disconnect the battery negative terminal so you don't short the circuit when working near the motor. Then, remove the trim and water shield. Use a trim pry to avoid breaking clips. Once the glass is slightly lowered and you can see the regulator bolts, clear a workspace and lay out locking pliers and a wooden block. This initial access gives you direct control of the glass and prevents surprises as you move to the next step. Once you can reach the regulator connections, loosen the bolts attaching the glass to the regulator while you support the glass securely. Use a wooden block or strong suction cup so the glass doesn't drop. This prevents breakage. Carefully unclip or slide the glass out of the regulator clamps, then lift the panes straight up into the top window channel. This is where the glass should rest when the motor fails. Finally, clamp the glass edge with locking pliers, cushioned with cloth, so it stays sealed and aligned. To finish, ensure the glass is secure and seated in the track. Apply gentle pressure to confirm it won't fall. Tighten the clamps and, if possible, reattach the glass to the regulator in a higher, safe position. Reconnect the battery and test the motor. If it still won't move the glass, the motor or regulator needs replacement. Once stable, reinstall the water shield and door trim. If the glass slips later, the troubleshooting fix is to pad and increase clamp pressure or replace the regulator for a permanent solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.